Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to do something a bit different, and this is just a simple technique. Now I decided that I do an awful lot of rolling in my video, but I haven't done a conditioning one. So today is not going to be making anything, it's just going to show you my technique for rolling and what I recommend and what I don't recommend, and also what to look out for. So in terms of when you're rolling and how long it's going to take and all this sort of stuff, I'm going to show you today. So, without further ado, here we go.
Myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of what we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This particle life. This particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Oh. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life. This particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So the reason why I've done this today is to give you an idea of literally how difficult sometimes it can be to roll. Now rolling for me, particularly the one I showed you in this video, took me about an hour. So I don't tend to do it all at once. I tend to, I don't just focus on that one thing. I watch something on telly, and to be honest with you, once you've done that and you're watching away and you're rolling, and you don't really notice how long it takes. However, for this video I wanted to check to see how long it took so I could tell you, and I allowed about an hour and a half, and I did get it done within that time. So hard clay is a nightmare, we all know that. You get it out of the box, you think, oh, how old is this and how long am I going to take to condition it? But I use particular techniques, and sometimes it's worth checking out someone's technique just to see if you can make it a little bit easier. So what I do have here is a rolled ball of soft clay still, and you'll notice it isn't the same colour, and the reason for that is because I've already used the colour that I softened for my next video. So you'll see this next week on Wednesday because I've already got it done, and the reason why I split the video up is basically because I wanted you to see how I did it particularly. So I wanted a video just specifically for rolling because I think it's really important to have a look at someone else's technique to make your life a little bit easier. So as I said, I haven't got anything to show you now, but I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and the idea is so that you can learn something off my technique, and if you've got any comments for me, perhaps I can learn from you. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you again soon. And the reason why I'm doing this and the reason why it's a different colour is because I have already used for my next project. Start again. Thanks for watching this tutorial. So I'm not going to show you what it looks like now because all I have is a ball of that you will see soon. That you will soon see. Oh my god. I think I should start again. That'll do, that'll do.